In this video, the Nilight fog lights. Stay tuned, everybody. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here, my name is Juan Carlos. If you've been here, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be installing these Nilight fog headlights onto the bumper. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the Nilight fog lights. I'm going to go ahead and install them in front of the bumper. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Come wrapped in a light foam paper. That's what they look like. I like it, it looks nice. The second one. And here's the hardware for each one. This is what it looks like. There's your hardware kit. You got the main bolt, and then you got like two side bolts that go on the bracket. There are your two fog lights, and here's the second hardware package. Let's go ahead and get it installed. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the bracket. Get your bracket, get your big bolt, stick it right in the middle. And you're gonna go ahead and get one of the side bolts. Get your spring washer, your flat washer. And you're going to insert it onto the unit. Go ahead and get your other small bolt, spring washer, flat washer, long washer. Try it again. The little spring washer, the flat washer. Insert it on the other side of the fog light unit. You just want to tighten those yet. Let's go ahead and go to the Jeep now. Go ahead and do the same thing on your second fog light. Install the hardware. Here we are at the Jeep. We're going to be mounting them, the fog lights, on the front bumper on these brackets. Wanted to make sure these were thin enough for them to fit here. As you can see, they fit in perfectly. Plenty of clearance. Now what I want to do, I'm going to bring my wire. By the way, the kit does not bring any cable, any wire. I have a spool of a 14 gauge electrical automobile cable that I'm going to be using for this. So I'm going to come over here, and as you can see, I already have some cables that I have, and there's plenty of room. I can see light. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can see the floor right through there. So I'm going to get my wire feeder, and I'm just going to, from the bottom to the top, I'm going to go ahead and bring up my cable. Feed my cable feeder here and hit the floor. So let me show you what I'm doing. I want to run my cable from underneath through the inside between the bumper and the grill. Then I have my cable feeder, which I duct taped. Let's go down here. I duct taped my cable to my cable feeder, and I'm just going to bring it on over to the top onto my aux beam switch box, which I have a video on this. I'll put a link into this, how I installed this. Let's go ahead and bring the cable up. And I get a pair of pliers to bring the cable. It was sliding, but here's the cable. We're good now. Let me show you what I've done. So we have the cable coming from the box underneath behind the grill. It comes through here. I want to run it from the bottom and attach it to the fog light. Same thing over here. These two cables I ran from behind the winch underneath and attach to the fog light. And I'm going to attach them with these posse clips. Now using my big nut, this is a 13mm nut. I'm going to go ahead and attach the fog light to the bumper. Attach the fog light to the bumper here. Go ahead and do that. I'm going to get the flat washer, followed by the spring washer and the nut. And tighten. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these two nuts on the sides so it won't go down like that. We use the Allen wrench they gave us. Do the same thing on the other side. So I tighten up both headlights. I did my connections. I haven't tightened anything up yet as far as the cable. I haven't cleaned it up yet. Ran it up and I attached it to a 10 amp fuse. Let's go ahead and close this. Let's see if they turn on. I'm gonna go inside the vehicle. That's a beautiful thing. Go ahead and take out these covers. There you have it. It's pretty bright. It's daytime, I really can't tell, but they look bright as heck. These are the Nilight LED fog lights, and those are the KC halogen fog lights. Big difference. Although it's daytime, I can already tell the difference. I'll do a video later on tonight. This is my regular headlight lights. These are the fog lights, the night hog fog lights. Headlights plus the fog lights. Thank you everybody for watching this short video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button for future videos. So next time, everybody.